One of the hardest lessons in life is accepting that not everyone will value you the way you value them. Some people will enjoy your loyalty, your kindness, your attention, and your sacrifices, yet never truly appreciate your presence. And because you love them, you keep trying harder. You call more, you forgive more, you sacrifice more, you lower your standards more. But here's the truth. The right people don't need to be convinced to value you. Love should never feel like a full-time job where you're the only employee. Self-worth begins the day you stop begging for the bare minimum. The day you realize that being alone is better than being constantly overlooked. You deserve relationships where effort is reciprocated, where respect is mutual, and where your presence is appreciated. The most loyal people are usually the ones who ask for the least. They don't demand constant attention. They don't compete with everyone around you. They don't keep score. In fact, many times they're so busy protecting your feelings that nobody notices who's protecting theirs. The sad part, people often discover loyalty only after they've lost it, when the calls stop, when the messages stop.